Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change your profile picture on Mastodon social app. Or if you create your account, but if you don't um, put your image on your profile on social Mastodon app, so later or in later you can easily change your profile picture. Okay, so you need to click your Mastodon social app or go to your app and then go to your profile page. Here you can see the right bottom corner, so click on this and also click edit profile and then click here. You can see the option on this one, right here. This is your profile picture frame, so click on this and then it will redirect to you your memory, and then you have to select your picture. Okay, so I'm just gonna select my picture from here and I select select your picture. Okay, and then it will be saved in your profile picture easily. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.